angle formed by a tangent to a circle and a chord drawn from the point of contact are equal to respective angles in the alternate segment. Theorem के statement ले के भन्छ भने the angle formed by a tangent to a circle and a chord drawn from the point of contact. Angle कसको कसको बीचमा फर्म भइराखेको छ एउटा tangent र एउटा chord को बीचमा र chord is drawn from the point of contact. Okay? Now, अब theorem ले के भन्छ भने the angle so formed between the tangent and the chord drawn from the point of contact यो angle equal हुन्छ the angle in alternate segment. Okay? अब यो theorem prove गर्नका लागि हामीले एउटा सर्कल बनायौं र एउटा tangent draw गर्यौं, tangent TN. The point of contact of the circle and the tangent is point S. Okay? अब S point बाट हामीले दुईवटा chord बनायौं, chord SA र chord SB. Okay? यतिसम्म हामी क्लियर छौं. अब हामीले जोइन गर्यौं AB. राइट? अब यति गरिसकेपछि हामीले के प्रुभ गर्नु पर्यो त एंगल BSN is equal to angle BAS because they are the angle in alternate segment. अर्को हामीले के प्रुभ गर्नु पर्यो त एंगल AST is equal to angle ABS. Okay? Because they are the angle in alternate segment. अब यो theorem prove गर्नका लागि हामी एउटा construction गर्छौं. We will draw a diameter from the point of contact. Okay? यो diameter लाई हामी नाम दियौं SD. Okay? अर्को construction हामी के गर्छौं भने we will join point B and D. अब यति गरिसकेपछि हामी given मा के लेख्न सक्छौं? First point मा we can write TN is a tangent of a circle with center at O. Second point मा we can write S is the point of contact for which chord SB is drawn. Third point मा हामी लेख्न सक्छौं angle BSN and angle BAS are the angles on alternate segment. Fourth point मा हामी लेख्न सक्छौं angle AST and angle ABS are angles on alternate segments. To prove मा we can write first point मा angle BSN is equal to angle BAS. Second point मा we can write angle AST is equal to angle ABS. Construction मा हामी लेख्न सक्छौं join diameter SD and join BD. अब यति लेखिसकेपछि अब जाउँ हामी स्टेटमेन्ट र रिजन तर्फ. यदि हामीले diameter SD consider गर्यौं भने we can say angle DBS is on a semicircle. So in the first statement we can write angle DBS is equal to 90 degree. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं angle in semicircle. Okay? अब consider गरौं हामी triangle DBS. यदि हामीले triangle DBS consider गर्यौं भने we can write angle DBS plus angle BSD plus angle SDB is equal to 180 degree. Right? Because sum of all angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. One of the angles, that is angle DBS, is equal to 90 degree. So, यदि एउटा angle of a triangle 90 degree छ भने the sum of remaining two angles will be equal to 90 degree. हैन? So, in the second statement we can write angle BDS plus angle BSD is equal to 90 degree. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं remaining angles of triangle BDS. अब हामी फिगर बाट के भन्न सक्छौं भने DS is the diameter. त्यसो भए OS is the radius of the circle and TN is the tangent. Right? हामीले एउटा theorem के पढेका छौं भने radius of a circle to the tangent will be perpendicular at the point of contact. Right? So OS is perpendicular to TN. हैन? So we can also write DS is perpendicular to TN because it is the same line. हैन? So त्यसो हो भने we can write angle DSN is equal to 90 degree. हैन? र angle DSN is made up of two parts, that is angle DSB plus angle BSN. हैन? equal to 90 degree. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं since DS perpendicular TN. अब second र third statement हामीले हेर्यौं भने we can see that the RHS of both of these statements is same, that is 90 degree. RHS same छ भने हामी LHS लाई पनि इक्वेट गर्न सक्छौं. So let us equate the LHS of second statement and third statement. त्यसो भए हामी fourth statement मा के लेख्न सक्छौं भने angle BDS plus angle BSD is equal to angle BSN plus angle BSD. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं from statement 2 and 3. अब fourth statement हामीले हेर्यौं भने we can see that angle BSD is present in both the LHS and the RHS. So they will subtract each other, हैन? So we can write in the fifth statement angle BDS is equal to angle BSN. Reason मा हामी लेख्न सक्छौं remaining parts. हामीले अहिले सम्म के प्रुफ गर्यौं angle BDS is equal to angle BSN. Okay? अब हामी फेरि फिगरमा हेरौं. हामी कन्सिडर गरौं आर्क BS. हामीले आर्क BS कन्सिडर गरौं भने आर्क BS ले दुईवटा इन्स्क्राइब्ड एंगल सबटेन्ड गरेको छ. That is angle BDS and angle BAS, right? अब दुईवटा इन्स्क्राइब्ड एंगल सेम आर्कमा छन् भने ती दुवै इन्स्क्राइब्ड एंगल इक्वल हुन्छन्. यो हामीलाई थाहा छ. So in the sixth statement we can write angle BDS is equal to angle BAS. Reason मा हामी लेख्न सक्छौं inscribed angle standing on same arc are equal. अब fifth र sixth statement हामीले हेर्यौं भने we can say angle BSN is equal to angle BAS. हेरौं है त. fifth statement हामीले प्रुफ गरेका छौं angle BDS is equal to angle BSN. sixth statement हामीले प्रुफ गरेका छौं angle BDS is equal to angle BAS. अब fifth र sixth statement हामीले कन्सिडर गरौं भने we can equate angle BSN and angle BAS, right? So in the seventh statement we can write angle BSN is equal to angle BAS. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं from statement 5 and 6. These are the angles in alternate segment, right? हामीले यही प्रुफ गर्नु पर्ने थियो. हामीले यो प्रुफ गरिसक्यौं. Similarly हामी angle AST is equal to angle ABS पनि प्रुफ गर्न सक्छौं माथिको स्टेटमेन्टहरु फलो गरेर. Okay? So in the eighth statement we can write similarly angle AST is equal to angle ABS. Reason हामी लेख्न सक्छौं same as above.